Hello! Now I'm going to show you how you could find your homework, download it, answer it, and then send it back to your teacher. So, let's say, okay, so the way you do it is by going to your homeroom, clicking on tasks, and find the homework that you have not done yet. For example, you have not done your math homework by showing here not submitted. You have not sent it yet. So you click on it. You download the file. You will see it in front of you over here once the download is over. Once it shows like this, you click on download. And it should start downloading to your computer. Once it has downloaded, you should be able to open it. After you open your homework, you click on Enable Editing. You start by writing your answers, whatever it is, okay? You could also save it. By doing that, you click on Save As and put it wherever you need to put it. So let's say your desktop and click on Save. Now that you know that you finished your homework, you have to send it back to the teacher. The way you do it is by going again to your homeroom. You go to the tasks. You find all the tasks that you did, but you only want the upcoming tasks, the one that you did not submit. And then it will ask you to attach your file. So you will have to search where did you save your homework. You know that you saved it, for example, right here, or for math, this is the one. Now that you did it, you just click on Submit, and once you do, that means you have sent your homework to your teacher. How can you do that from your phone or your tablet?
First, again, you will have to go to the icon up here. And maybe the teacher told you that you have a math homework. That means you have to go to your homeroom. And then you click on Assignments. You will find here that you still have a math homework that you did not send. So the way you do it is by clicking on View Assignment. You click on this file to download the assignment, and this is the download button. You click on it and it should start downloading. Once it does, you should click on Open. Now the homework has opened for you. So, now that you can see your homework, you should be able to start writing by just pressing Write and write your answer. Now that you finished this, you click Backspace. You click on Save As. So, I will save it as. Next, you should just click Backspace, click on this device. Maybe you would want to put it in your documents, in your storage, and call it Math Homework Number 1. Save. Now that you finished writing your homework, here is how you can send it back to the teacher. First, you have to click on the icon up here. You go to where you got your homework from. And then you click on the teacher's name. Once you do that, you have to click on the plus icon here to find your file. I clicked on plus, and I know that I saved my homework in my documents. So here, and this is my math homework. So I click on it, And there you go, I sent it to the teacher.